So you want to make money online? Well, how about up to $100 a day just hanging out, having fun? Believe it or not, this is actually possible. There's websites out there that will pay you to do what you already love and are already doing. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 different options for just hanging out, making money while you have fun. Everyone likes to do different stuff, so make sure that you stick around to the very end of this video because I'm sure one of these 3 options is going to be a good fit for you. Now, all 3 of these options are what's called active income. Active means you are doing some sort of job or task and you get paid for it, which works great to get money quickly. Now, if you're actually interested in passive income, which is my favorite way to make money, where you do the work one time and you can continue to get paid for that same work year after year, then you definitely want to check out the link at the very top of the description that's going to teach you how to set that up and really build that online. Now, who doesn't like hanging out with their friends? Well, you can have a lot of fun doing that. Well, guess what? You can also get paid to do that. You can make money simply hanging out with folks through the website called RentAFriend.com. RentAFriend.com. It is exactly what it sounds like. It's just hanging out, totally platonic relationships where people are actually paying you to hang out with them. On their website, they really go through what this looks like and they stress this is platonic. There's no physical contact, anything like that. It really just is hanging out and being friends, and you get paid for it. Now, they really stress how much fun this is. That you can make up to $50 an hour, get free meals, go to free concerts, sporting events, doing fun stuff that you love to do. Now, how does this work? Well, you simply fill out your profile. It's 100% free on RentAFriend.com. As a rentable friend, there's absolutely zero cost to you, which is great. On top of that, you're in complete control. You're the one who decides how much you want to charge and if you're going to accept a friend or not. So when you look at how much money you can make long term with this, it really depends on how much time you put into it and how busy it is in your area. So they walk through a few examples here. Working part-time, 3 days a week. If you just charge $20 an hour, you're looking at $23,000 a year. At $50 an hour, that's $57,000 a year. But if you're doing full-time work 5 days a week, then you can make, if $20 an hour, $38,000 a year, and at $50 an hour, $96,000 a year. So there's some significant earning potential in addition to just going out and having fun. Now, they list out some of the activities that people get hired to go do. Sporting events, family functions, giving tours, traveling, beach, skiing, snowboarding, video games, parties, concerts. I mean, seriously, how many people would love to get paid just for playing video games? This is real. You can actually get paid to do that. Basically, any kind of activity that you would enjoy doing with a friend, people are out there looking for friends to do it with and will pay to hire you to rent you as a friend. I'll make sure that I have the link to this website in the description so you can click on that, get signed up, and start hanging out and making money. So people, not really your thing. If you're more of an introvert, maybe you don't like hanging out with folks all the time, no problem. There's another one that might just be perfect for you. How do you feel about animals, dogs and cats? Rover.com, and they also has many competitors if they're not local in your area. They pay you to hang out with animals. If you're an animal person, this is a fun gig to do. It's really enjoyable and you can really set your own hours and exactly what you want to do. So how much can you make? I mean, right here on the website, they say $1,000 a month. Now with Rover, you're able to set your own schedule and your own prices, and you get to determine what you want to do. So there's different things that you can offer through their site. You also get to specify what kind of size and pet that you're willing to work with. Another thing that really is good as a business owner, I like to see this in here, is that they guarantee your services. They protect you with a liability insurance policy up to $1 million, which is smart. You get to use their Rover app to document and manage all of your activity with them, and they have 24/7 support, including veterinary assistance, which is great. So to get signed up, super simple. Go in, create your profile, decide what kind of pets you want to accept. You can go ahead, accept some requests, and then start working and getting paid. So what do they do? Well, anything from actually dog boarding, where you take animals into your home overnight, to dog walking, to doggy daycare during the daytime hours, to house sitting and drop-ins. It's really whatever works best for you and what you want to do. If you're a pet person, if you're an animal lover, this is great. You can make some great money just having fun hanging out with animals. Now here at the bottom of the website, it lists out their top cities. You can definitely check out and see if they're in your neighborhood, even if they're not listed here, but know that there are tons of other sites just like Rover. So if you just search Rover competitors on Google, if Rover's not in your area, you're likely to find another site that you can work with that does virtually the same thing. So maybe you don't want to get out of the house and hang out with people, and maybe you're not an animal person, but maybe you just want to sit in your pajamas and talk to people. No problem. Check out the website Cambly.com. Cambly.com. This is a site where you simply get paid to talk. It's really that simple. It's basically a site where people come and who want to learn how to speak English better. And they already know English. You're not necessarily teaching English, you're just talking with them. They pay for the opportunity to talk with a native English speaker and work on their conversational skills. So if you've got the gift of gab, this is a great way to just talk with people from all over the world and make money. They pay just over $10 an hour, and it's really kind of fun. I mean, if you get to talk to someone from Russia, from Brazil, from Ukraine, wherever, what a great experience that can be, and broaden your horizons and just really be enjoyable. So if you like talking with people, this is a great website to check out. Another plus with Cambly is that it's super flexible. If you've got a few moments to work, you can go in, log in, see who wants to chat, and start chatting and make money. You don't have to have a set schedule ahead of time. It's just, hey, I got a few moments, let's log in and make some money. Great way to make money, and a great way to broaden your horizons and experience more of the world right from home in your PJs. Now, these three options are great ways to make money, especially if you're a student or a teacher this summer. You'd like a little extra cash flow, but don't want to put a ton of work into it and just want to have some fun. I definitely suggest that you check these three options out. Now, if you're looking to create more passive income, learn how to go from 0 to 6 figures online and then 6 figures and beyond, you definitely want to click the link at the top of the description to get access to our training. We're going to lay it all out for you, how that works, and help you get started. Now, please know we are here rooting for you. We are here to help you create that time freedom, that financial freedom that you're looking for. That means if you're new, guess what? You got to subscribe so we can really help you. Make sure to say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this video floating up above my head, and I'll see you soon.